John has to go out and clear off our boats. And poor Roxy, who wants to help with every chore, is trying to keep up with him. But the snow is higher than her body. Poor thing. Dory's very smart. Dory is with me. There she is. She's like, I don't know. Uh-oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. She's not as smart as I thought. Oh, yes she is. And that's too much snow. Nope, they made it. Come on, Rox! Come on! Good girl! Come on! Come on! Good girl! You're so tough. You're so tough. What a good girl. Now they're gonna go see the goats and the bees. Whatever else they can get into trouble with. I guess I should follow them.